Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet to another video. My name is Carlos and you're in Digital Marketing on the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. If you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. Now in this video, we are going to talk about how you guys can make money just by listening to music. Now there's a different ways of you guys can actually go about this. There's quite a few websites that you guys can go in and do this. The reason why I teach you these and I show you these websites is because I want you to make money, but this is not a get rich quick scheme. I want you to use this money and improve tools or purchase tools so you guys can actually create a real business online. If you think this is going to be your career and do it forever, then there's certain things that you might have to learn. Maybe you know about the music world, but if you're a complete beginner, if you want something else, if you want to scale to something that is $1,000 a month or $1,000 a month, you need to do other things to get there. Okay, this is just examples. Like I said, I want to be transparent with you and straight up. If you don't like this, and you guys can go check other videos, but in this video, that's what I want you to do. You're gonna earn decent amount of money, but it's not gonna be the thousands that you want. Use that little money and purchase other products and services, and also learn more about the business, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to do online, and scale it up. Okay, so we're gonna jump into my computer. I'm gonna show you those websites and let's get started. Now the first website is called slicethepie.com. Now I actually went into instead of showing you the sign up and all that stuff, you know exactly how to do that. Those websites are absolutely for free. You enter your information, and basically it says that once you logged in, you will be asked to choose a category that you like to review. So you have to choose music. You're gonna hit the play button and you're gonna start listening to a track, and then you can start writing your review straight away. Comment on what you like, dislike, and note you need to listen to at least 90 seconds of the track, and once you rate it out of 10, that you can submit it. So you can do this on the mobile, obviously your phone. Have a look at the pictures and information on the product, providing the comment on the design, and it says do I get paid? Yes, you get paid. And now they have over 10 million reviews submitted and pay over 1 million to people that are reviewing stuff for them. And it says right here that you need the minimum PayPal withdrawal is $10, so you get paid through PayPal, and it takes up to 5 working days for you guys after you do your review. So this is very basic. You sign up, they give you the music, you listen for 90 seconds, and then you go and make the review, and then you will receive your money through PayPal. So go check a review. So maybe if you're a little hesitant about joining this website, check them out. As far as I know, I've seen some reviews, and it seems like it's pretty legit, and they don't pay much, but you can make some extra cash. Now the next one is called MusicXraycom. What you need to do is you gotta watch this video, right? You watch the video, sign up, the music will arrive in your inbox. You will get paid to listen and support the bands that you love. As again, you sign up for free, and basically clicking right on this spot right here that will give you all the information. You open a free account, and it's all free. You listening to music, and you can actually connect it with SoundCloud if you have an account with SoundCloud. So watch the video, it will explain you exactly what you need to do, and then you guys will be ready to start earning money on this website. Okay, the next one we're gonna go in is with localizecom, and I was looking for information. You're gonna go into become a translator, and this is what I found. What I found is that with Localize pays per transcribed song. You can earn roughly between 16 and 20 per hour, depending on your ability to easily pick the song lyrics. So and how fast you can type. There's no minimum to cash out, and actually this one says you are getting paid to Hyper Wallet. So you can go, before you sign up to this website, go to hyperwallet.com, open an account, and then you go back to with localized, and then you go where it says become a translator right here, and start earning money by listening to music, by actually writing the lyrics and submitting them to them. Okay, another website is called predictorcom, and actually got artists putting their music right here, and it gives you the power to directly influence new music. So you will listen to people that haven't released yet and put their music out there. So this is a cool website. For they also have a lot of incentives for you to come back. It says for qualified participants, check out our daily contests and prizes in the store and start listening today, and you have a vote to be heard. This is something that's very cool because you listen to music that haven't been released yet, but you can actually upvote, I guess, or downvote some of these singers and put their music out there. So when they're out in the open, when they're actually releasing their music on radio stations, you can say, well, listen to that song even before it was released. I get my opinion on it. You had something to do with it, and so it makes you feel better. The next website is called playlistpush.com, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to curators, and you're gonna become a curator. Okay, and then you're gonna click here, and there's so many countries that you guys can apply from. So this works everywhere, and then you just enter, if you don't have a playlist, 0 to 400, 400, 5,000, and more than 5,000, and I will explain to you what that means. It says discover new music by independent artists for your playlist, and you get rewarded by listening to the songs and reviewing them. Now, this is what I found in the information part, that you need a minimum of 400 followers on your playlist, and this is through Spotify. You need a minimum of 30 active monthly listeners to your playlist, and a minimum of 1% active monthly listeners per playlist. So there's certain rules for you guys to submit and start earning money from Playlist Push. One of the things that I can tell you is you can actually go into YouTube, click on popular music or depending on the music that you guys are reviewing, all right, and then you're gonna click on filter, and you're gonna click on this week, which is something that I click already, and then you see all these videos. This one has 34,000 views and 14 hours ago, and this one 986 views 13 hours ago. So you click on all of this, and then you are gonna go into the comment section, and then you're gonna start commenting and talking about, you like the music. This video only has 1,200 views so far, so you guys know that this is gonna be here for a long time, and be some of the first reviews, so people will see your review and say something like, I like this song or this other song, but there's something better on my playlist. If you're interested, don't force it. If you're interested, click on this link and send it to your Spotify account, right? That's one of the options. This is kind of like the strategy to gain subscribers on YouTube. You gotta click on all these ones, and then you can just go and click on Popular Music 2020, and just go through the other videos. They already have a bunch of views. This one is 623 watching right now. This one had 826 views, but only 4 hours ago. So as you can say, they're releasing these videos constantly, and if you go and subscribe and start putting your comment in there, people are gonna see, and that's how you're gonna start gaining momentum in your Spotify account. Then you're gonna click on Facebook, and you're gonna enter music groups on Facebook, and you're gonna go join these Facebook groups, and don't be spamming. Okay, this is what I talk about all the time with not being spammy, and just go in there and join my Spotify. Just try to help. Try to make friendships, and just tell them that you have a Spotify account. It's free. It will be cool if people subscribe to it. So those are two of the ways that I will go about trying to get my account to 400 followers. I hope this video helps you. If you don't want to do this, there's a way of you guys can start earning money with Pinterest. I show you that strategy in the video that's coming right here. So if you guys are interested or doing something very differently with affiliate marketing, the video is coming right up. Go check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. I will really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next